Look what she did with washing powder and detergent. I'm sure you'll be surprised by this tip. To start our video today, in a container we will add 7 tablespoons of soap powder, being one of the main items of this tip. With few ingredients you will have a great result. Then we will also add a liter of hot water. The ideal is to mix very well to fully dilute the washing powder. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us so I can send you a hug in the next video. Today's hug goes to Hannah Chloet from Namibia. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. Next we will also add 500 milliliters of detergent. Do not worry about the amount of use in this mixture because only with these 2 ingredients we will have a great result for this tip. As soon as the detergent is fully added, mix well. In this tip, the ideal is the use of hot water with these 2 ingredients to bring the desired consistency to this liquid soap. You will be surprised by this tip. This soap is totally different from all sold in the markets, with a much lower cost and yields a lot. Best of all, it is ideal for use both for external cleaning and for washing clothes and fabrics. You will notice the effectiveness of this product the first time you use it and you will be enchanted by its consistency. To finish, we must add another liter of water, thus ensuring greater yield of the product. After mixing one last time, we will have our tip ready. To facilitate storage and also in use, we will put the complete tip in a bottle. Ideal is also the use of a funnel and thus avoiding waste. This amount we prepare yields more than 2 liters, and I am sure you will guarantee the use for at least a month. If you prefer, you can even reserve and keep resting until it cools or until it has a better consistency. The indicated is to leave at least 24 hours, and with this you will have the desired point. The best of this tip is that the use of detergent acts directly on the removal of fat, and with the washing powder acting directly on the removal of stains. To show the difference in the mixture after this time, I will put the mixture back in the container, and with this, you will notice the difference. Tell me later if you have already made some mixture of this type, and if you obtained the desired result for use. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.